In this session, we are going to see what are assertions we are going to validate related to dictionaries. Here we can see there are around 6 assertions are there. Let's go one by one. First one is a dictionary should contain item. In this case, we are going to check whether the whatever item we have given is present or not. Let's write some assertions here. Dictionary related assertions for the I need one dictionary object. Dictionary is equal to create dictionary. AK is equal to Alaska. AL is equal to Alabama. CA is equal to California. DC is equal to Washington DC. IN is equal to Indiana. Now I am going to check whether is contain item or not. Dictionary should contain item. What item I need to do? From dictionary I need to check AK Alaska. Okay, and careful, you can't able to write the same statement in this manner because it will give an error message. Okay, you have to give in this order only. Let's see this one. As you can see, we have created one dictionary, and we are checking dictionary should contain AK Alaska. This contains pass, but when we mention AK is equal to Alaska, it is going to fail. So be careful while validating this one. It is expecting 3 to 5 arguments, got 2 arguments. Okay, so don't write in this manner. Now let's see what if we have this is a case insensitive. So for this is a case sensitive. Now we are going to write one more thing, which is ignore the case. AK K ignore case is equal to true. Now also it is going to pass. Now one more statement we are going to add, that is dictionary should contain item dictionary. Now we are going to given which is not present. So CA cat. Here the value is wrong. So let's execute this one, and what error message we are going to see. Yeah, here you can see in the second it's ignore the case, and it is past that one because AK Alaska is present, and here it's showing that CA cat, this California is not matching California value with cat. Okay, now we can change this to something, and we have one more parameter, that is the message. If there is something we have to add a predefined message, we can add here, that is message item is not found in the dictionary demo. Now when I execute this one, whatever the values default values are there, it is going to overwrite, and whatever value we provide, it is going to show. See, item is not found in the dictionary demo item. Yep, this is the one thing. Let's do same thing. Instead of giving we are going to remove this one as of now, otherwise we'll comment this one, we don't want. Now let's give some different key, whether in earlier it was value is not matching. Now let's give both value and key, both are not matching. What will happen? It is going to show the error message, proper error message, and showing that does not contain a key. So initially it is going to check the key. If key is not for key is found, then it will go compare the value. In this case, is the key itself is not present, so it is stopping here. So this dictionary should contain item. Now we have one more assertion, that is dictionary should contain key. In this case, it is going to compare. It is going to check whether the key is present or not. If key is present, it is going to show. Otherwise, it is going to false. I am going to ignore comment on this one because once this statement executed, remaining statements is not going to execute. Dictionary. Now I need to mention dictionary should contain key from dictionary, and I mentioned DC. Similarly, I am going to add case insensitive or case sensitive also. That is, ignore case is equal to true. And I'm going to write one more statement where it's going to show here is key is not present and it has to fail. Let's write, yep, this is a dictionary. Dictionary should contain key. Key is present, that is DC is present. Dictionary should contain key CA small letter. I mentioned ignore case is equal to true. That is also present. True. And I'm checking dictionary should contain MA key. Key does not present, so it is failed this one. So dictionary should contain key. This is also completed. Now our next statement is dictionary should not contain key is exactly opposite of dictionary should contain key. Let's write this one. Now dictionary should not contain key. That is a dictionary object. Here I need to mention MA. Okay. Now one more thing I will write. Same thing. I'll write MA. I can mention ignore case is equal to true. In the both the case, it's going to fail. Otherwise, here I will change the AK. It's not contain. Now when I change dictionary should not contain AK. Yes, it's not contain. Which is case sensitive. Dictionary should not contain K dictionary KA. When I mention AK, here it what will ignore key. If we ignore the case means here it is going to change the order. So in that case, let's see what is the output. Yes, dictionary should not contain AK is because small letter, and dictionary should not contain AK. But when we ignore the case, it is matching to Alaska. So that is the reason it is showing that it's failed. So we covered dictionary should not contain key also. Now we are going to see dictionary should contain value. Earlier we saw the key. Now we are going to see the value. Let's go here. Okay. Dictionary should contain value is similar as dictionary should contain key. So we are going to mention dictionary value. What value we need to here we'll say? We'll see California. California. Similarly, dictionary should contain. I will try some ignoring case. A Alaska ignore case is equal to true. Now we are going to mention one error message, that is ABC. We'll mention it's anyhow ABC is not present, so it is going to fail here. Let's run this one. Now yes, this is our dictionary. California is present, so it's pass. Now it's content Alaska ignoring case is also present, so pass. But ABC is not present, that is the reason it's failing. Dictionary does not contain a value ABC. Now we covered contain values. Now we have one more exactly opposite of values, that is does not contain. Dictionary should not contain value. From dictionary, now we are going to mention California. California. Here the case is not matching. That is the reason it's going to pass. Now when we do the same while ignoring the case, it is going to fail. Ignore case is equal to true. Once we have done, not contain. Now what we have done, should not contain value. Okay, now let's run this one. Yes, here we can see dictionary should not contain value. That's a California. It's correct. Present because it's a case insensitive. A case is not matching. But when we try the same value with case ignore is equal to true, it is showing that it's a fail. Okay. Now we covered dictionary should not contain also. Okay. Now next thing is dictionary should not contain subdirectory. So in this case, we need one subdirectory and we are going to compare. So we're going to compare whether the subdirectory is present here or not. So, okay, let's write one code. We're ignoring this one. Now I'm going to write one subdirectory. Subdictionary 1 is equal to create dictionary. AK is equal to Alaska sub subdictionary 2 is equal to create dictionary. AL is equal to Alabama. Now I'm going to create one more. Sub dictionary 3 is equal to create dictionary, that is AL is equal to Alabama, and we have add one more is equal to D. I am not exist. Okay. Now let's write dictionary should contain sub dictionary. I'm going to mention dictionary 1 with dictionary means that's sub dictionary 1. Let's write the same thing dictionary 1, but here in this case I mentioned that ignore case is equal to true. Here I'm going to mention dictionary 3. This is dictionary 2. Okay, so in this case dictionary contains subtitle. Yes, it's passed because I'm going to delete this one. Yes, dictionary 1 is matching, but dictionary 2 in this case I am telling to ignore the case. In that case this is also pass, but in the when come to the third one it's showing that first two values item is present but second item is not present. So in that case the last one is going to fail. Let's write. Now come here, refresh. Yes, so create a dictionary 1 2 3. Now it's first one is pass. Dictionary should contain subdirectory. It's a pass. Now the second thing also pass because we are just ignoring the case. Now third thing is dictionary should contain subdirectory 3. In this case Alabama is present but DD is equal to I am exist. This is not present. I think this is not I am exist. This is not exist. I am not exist. So here when we check on the third one it's not present. So that is the reason the following is fail. So dictionary should contain subdirectory. That is also we covered. I think this is the end. Thank you.